everyone, QUEERVEE here in drag, which I forgot to mention in my last video that I thought that my drag name would be Celestina, so I guess it's Celestina here today, even though I didn't get to do my brows. Next time, if you saw my Art Snacks video, I talked about that. But anyways, here we are with Paletteful packs, and so something happened to my box. I don't know if something inside exploded or something at the post office exploded on top of it, but my box is all gross and sticky everywhere, and it smells like candles, and I don't know what it is. Usually, Paletteful packs, when they give you stuff like that's liquid, they put it in a Ziploc bag so like it doesn't spill. So I feel like it was maybe the post office and not Paletteful packs, but we're about to find out, and I'm gonna try not to touch the box because it is gross. I do not like it. Even though it like smells good, it's like I don't like sticky stuff. It freaks me out. So ew. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, ew, ew. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, there we go. Now we're not gonna touch the box anymore. And it really doesn't look like anything spilled from in here, so let's keep looking though. Ooh! Ooh! So many Posca pins, it looks like! I see a rainbow in here! Okay, red, orange. Oh, the orange is thick. It's a thick boy. Oh yeah, it is like a rainbow up in here. Got yellow. So I have quite a few Posca pins already, but I really like them, so I am not opposed to that. And this color is beautiful, aqua green. I don't know if I have this color, but I love this color. This is the best color so far. This color I probably won't use. I'm gonna be real. It's just like a green. Then white's always great to have in a Posca pin. And then what is this little guy? Oh, there's two of them. Posca Pastel. Ooh. Ooh. It's like in a cute little, oh my god, this is so cute. It's like in this little like sleeve, and here's, and you peel it. Oh, it's so cute. My camera's not going to focus because I have it on a set focus, but oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, so that, ooh, purple and pink. Oh, these are such good colors, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm still getting used to this new setup. Oh, that's so pretty. All right. Oh my god, there's even more. Paletteful packs is the best. They always have so much stuff. Textured black boards. Truly the blackest black board on the market. 8. There's 8 of them in here. What? They seem so thin. Oh no, there's 3. It says Ultra Black 8 illustration board, so I don't know what the 8 means there. I was like, what? But yeah, there's 3 in here. Okay. And that looks like it's everything. So let's read about this cute stuff. Okay. Oh, I like this new like menu. It's very like minimal and like it's nice. I like it. Okay. So Petite Paletteful pack, March 2021. The Posca box. Posca paint markers ×6. Are you ready to work with one of the best and most versatile markers on earth? Posca is a paint marker popular with artists and creative hobbyists, an essential tool for creation and self-expression. It is used by professionals and amateurs every day on all types of materials. We highly encourage you to visit Posca's website to explore all the various ways people use these markers. The non-toxic and water-based opaque paint covers well, is blendable, dries quickly, and can be overlaid when dry. You can use the markers on paper, board, wood, fabric, glass, ceramic, plastic, metals, minerals, and canvas. Value of $23.95. So that's already like the price of the box pretty much. Posca Pastel Pencils. The iconic Posca has been exclusively known as a marker brand. After several years of research, Posca has now launched pastel pencils. These pastel pencils have the kind of high-quality permanence and pigmentation that you would expect from Posca. These pastel pencils offer a soft, blendable, and expressive way to sketch and paint with the added benefit of a coated body. They are also comfortable to hold and mess-free. They're so cute. Oh my god. And they have a retail value of $4.78. Crescent Ultra Black Textured Board 3-pack, 5x7. Your Posca paint markers and pastel pencils will really pop on this black illustration board. Construct it with a solid black core and a surface that allows the paint to be applied without fast absorption. $6.26. Oh my god, my nose. My nose is dripping. Okay. Sorry, I'm not editing this, so you're just gonna have to deal with that. Okay, and did I say how much they were? I think so, $6.26. And so this is just telling you how to use the Posca markers, which I already know because I have them. And then there's the Paletteful Packs prompts, which I never do anymore. I used to, but now I don't. But yeah, so that's the Paletteful Packs box, and it's pretty cool. I definitely want to check these out, like, right now. I want to see what they look like. Just dropped the Posca pen. Let me pick that up. So even though I already have pink, I still wish that they gave me like another pink instead of red, just because that goes with pink and purple. Like, none of these colors really go with pink and purple. Yellow looks pretty good with them, and like this color would be okay. But I just want to see how these feel. Okay, they're not really that soft, which is fine. I don't know why I was expecting them to be a little softer, and it's not. I don't know how well they're really blending, but the colors are really pretty. I definitely have to give that to them. The colors, I don't even know actually if this is in view of camera, sorry. The colors are really pretty. It doesn't show up well on my camera, but they are very pretty colors. So yeah, obviously that was nothing in the box that exploded, and something happened at the post office. So definitely gonna throw away that box. Anyways, yeah, so this is the box, and I like this box better than the Art Snacks box. Poscas are just really useful, like, because you can use them on so many surfaces. Like, I mean, it's kind of actually annoying to use them on paper, because they sometimes like will kind of rip up the paper a little bit and then get like pieces of paper in your art. It's like but I still like to use them on paper anyways. I want to like get better at using them and do more like simple styles, like graphic styles with them, because I think that looks really good. Like, I just need to get better at it. But yeah, I have a pack of like pastel Poscas that are my favorite. I use those the most out of anything. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to use this color. And I already have this yellow. So yeah, now I just have some extra Posca pens, which is good. And these pastels, which will be really fun to use. So yeah, I don't know if I'll use these for a hot minute. Like, a lot of the like paper and boards and surfaces they give in Paletteful Packs, I don't always use because they're shaped all like portraits or landscapes. Like, I want squares. Give me the squares. I'll use all the squares all day long. Just give me squares. That's all I want. I mean, paper is easy to cut into square, but not boards. These are like boards. I don't want to really cut those, but maybe I will, because otherwise I might not use them. Like, this is huge. I don't ever do 5x7 art. I know that sounds like it's not huge. This is huge for me, guys. This is giant. I don't make art this size, so probably not going to use that. But we'll see. Alright, well, I will see you guys. QUEERVEE out. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And yeah, thank you to my patrons who are still hanging on. Jill, Artemystik, Kim, and Rhian. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Thanks so much. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.